Number 3, again, has the numerator and the denominator with the same degree. So we have to do long division. So x squared, if I'm dividing, I need my x term, so I'm going to put plus 0x minus 25. Or may not, but it's always good to put it in there. 3x squared plus 7x minus 20. So you get 3. So you get 3x squared minus 0x minus 75. Right? So then we're going to subtract to that. And we get 7 plus 0. That would still be 7x. And negative 20 plus 75 is 55. But it would be plus 55. So 7x plus 55. So our new problem becomes 3 plus 7x plus 55 over x squared minus 25. So now we have to factor. So we get 3 plus 7x plus 55 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Where am I getting 2? 5. So x plus 5, x minus 5. So our problem we would work with would be 3 plus a over x plus 5 plus b over x minus 5. So we're working toward that, figuring out what a and b are. So that would be ax minus 5a plus bx plus 5b. So we were just going to take the x's out, and we get a plus b. And then we have minus 5a plus 5b, and that's equal to 7x plus 55. So a plus b has to equal the 7 right here, and negative 5a plus 5b has to equal 55. So let's just multiply the top one by 5. So I get 5a plus 5b equals 35. Negative 5a plus 5b equals 55. Adding them up, I get 0 plus 10b equals 90. So b is equal to 9. And a plus b was 7, so a has to be negative 2. So going back up here, our answer, don't forget the 3. 3 plus negative 2 over x plus 5 plus 9 over x minus 5. Okay, example 4, again, both have the same degree, so I have to do long division. Okay, so I would say x cubed plus x squared minus 9x minus 9 divided by 2x cubed minus 0x squared, don't forget these, minus 0x minus 30. So this would be a 2, and that gives me 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 18x minus 18. So because this has all those terms, you have to include that, okay? So now we're going to subtract this whole thing. So that would be 0x cubed, and 0 minus a negative, so that would give me a positive 2x squared. 0 minus negative 18x is plus 18x. And negative 30 plus 18 would be negative 12. Okay, no. Let's see, wait. No, that's right, okay. So then you have, you can keep going. Can you keep going? So you have x cubed. Oh, nope, this is lower degree than this, so you're done. So we'll write that 2 plus 2x squared plus 18x minus 12 over x cubed plus x squared minus 9x minus 9. So now let's factor this. This is 2 plus 2x squared plus 18x minus 12 all over, this is just the over part. Let's see, grouping for sure, right? X squared, x plus 1, minus 1, minus 9, sorry, and that would be x plus 1. So this becomes 2 plus 2x squared plus 18x minus 12 over x squared, x plus 1, no, x squared minus 9, sorry, x squared minus 9, and x plus 1. So we have 2. Oh, no, look, we got that to break down too. So, oops, keep going. 2x squared plus 18x minus 12 over x plus 3, x minus 3, and x plus 1. So we have 3 terms, and that works out right with our each one going to that, right? So we have 2 plus a over x plus 3 plus b over x minus 3 plus c over x plus 1. So now let's do that. I'm going to go to the next page and rewrite that. So now this a needs an x minus 3 and an x plus 1. The b needs an x plus 3 and an x plus 1. Whoops. X plus 3 and an x plus 1. And the c needs these two. Needs an x plus 3 and an x minus 3. So this would be a, and that's all equal to, go back to your original top, that would be equal to okay, I made a mistake right here with a sign. So this should be a plus, right? Because this is a plus. So this should be a minus 2x. So let's just put that minus 2x everywhere. Okay? So let's go back. Put it right here. Minus, that equals minus 2x squared plus 18x minus 12. Phew, okay. So this is x squared. These are 3's. So that would be, A needs, can't read this very well. Sorry, guys. X minus 3 and x plus 1. So x squared plus x minus 3x would be minus 2x minus 3. And the b would need x squared plus 4x plus 3. And then this is plus c. C would be x squared minus 9. And that's equal to negative 2x squared plus 18x minus 12. All right, so ax squared minus 2ax minus 3a plus bx squared plus 4bx plus 3b plus cx squared minus 9c is equal to negative 2x squared plus 18x's minus 12. So factor out an x squared, and I get a plus b plus c. And factor out an x, and I get negative 2a plus 4b and no c. And factor out a constant, and you have a minus 3a, that's so sloppy, sorry, minus 3a plus 3b minus 9c. And that's equal to the same thing above. Okay, so that means that a plus b plus c is equal to negative 2. It also means negative 2a plus 4b equals 18. And negative 3a plus 3b minus 9c equals negative 12. All right, so you're looking at solving these, and so these don't have a c, so let's eliminate c from these two. So I have to multiply the top one by 9. So 9a plus 9b plus 9c equals negative 18, and negative 3a plus 3b minus 9c equals negative 12. We're going to add these together, and I get 6a plus 12b equals negative 30. Now I take this equation and put it beside it so I can see what to do. Negative 2a plus 4b equals 18. So if I multiply this one by 3, I'll get 6a, so they'll go away. So let me rewrite that. 6a plus 12b equals negative 30. And I have negative 6a plus 12b equals 18 times 3, 54. This is negative 30. So I get 24b equals 24. So I got b is equal to 1. And then up here I had, so let me box that in, I had negative 2a plus 4 times b, which is 1, so plus 4 equals 18. So negative 2a equals 14. So a equals negative 7. And let's go to the very top one. A plus b plus c is 2. So we have negative 7 plus 1 plus c equals negative 2. So negative 6 plus c equals negative 2. So c is equal to 4. So I got A, B, and C. So now go back up here. I'll do it in orange. 2 plus A, which was negative 7, was over x plus 3, plus B, which was 1 over x minus 3, plus C, which is 4 over x plus 1. So there was number 4 and 3 worked out.